How to fix Discord download setup log error. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. Here on apps, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will click just on Discord and go to storage option and click on clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your uh, Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.